To build your hermit crab, we're going to use two 260s, one 350, and one 5-inch round. Inflate your 260s to about 3/4 and give it a good burn. So we have a 4 to 6 finger tail. Make a 3-finger bubble and then a 2-finger bubble and tie those together here. Pass your nozzle through. Do that twice so it'll lock it in. Now we're going to make the arm. So we're going to do a 4-finger bubble and a 1-finger bubble. Turn that into a pinch twist. Now we're going to create another 4-finger bubble. 5-finger bubble, I'm sorry, 5-finger. 5-finger bubble followed by a 1-finger pinch twist. And we're coming right back with another 5-finger bubble. Right into that pinch twist. Roll it through and connect it. We're going to do this one more time. I'm sorry, I apologize. We're going to do 2 feet now. We're going to do 2 2-finger bubbles. 1, 2. And twist that right back into each other. That's our feet. Now we're going to make another 5-finger bubble back to this pinch twist. And twist it in. You're going to make 2 more feet. 2 more 2-finger bubbles. 1, 2. And tie it right back into itself. Bring that up the top and adjust. It should be feet, pinch twist, claw. We're going to get rid of this so we can pop this part. We don't need that. Let's get our other 260. You only need about half of this one. We're going to make the same size claw. Okay, so that was a 3-finger bubble and then a 2-finger bubble. Fold it down and tie that nozzle into there and then pass it through and pass it through again. Get the arms the same size and make that bubble. Should be a 4-finger bubble. And tie it into this pinch twist. Just rotate it through and lock it in. Now you can cut this, but save it because you're going to want this. Okay, so now we're going to take this strap and tie it over into our other pinch twist. Okay? Hold it there, right in the middle, and tie it in. So we should have this string in the middle. That's where we're going to attach our irons. We get rid of the extra now. And this is the base for our hermit crab. Feet, pinch, twist, legs. Okay, and we have that string to attach our eyes. So we're going to take our 5-inch round, inflate it quite a bit so it's good and stretchy. You're going to want this about 4 fingers to 3 fingers tall. And tie your knot all the way at the end. Tie it loose and then pull the knot loosely to the end. Stretch all the air up to that end of the balloon and then back down. I take and put it between these fingers and kind of hold it like a baseball so I can take my thumb and apply pressure and try to split it directly in half. Once I feel it's halfway, I rotate. I can apply different pressures to try to get them close to halfway. Once I feel it's close, I grab this nozzle and tie it around. Okay? As long as it's close. You're going to take that nozzle and tuck it through that strap Back up around the eyes, back down the strap, back up around the, just twist it in, and tuck it down in there, so it'll hold your eyes where they go, okay? Now we're going to take our 350, I'm using white, you can use whatever color, halfway is just enough, good burp, tie it off into a knot. We're going to do the top part of his shell first by attaching it to the back pinch twist. And you're going to make a small, call it a 3-finger bubble for the bottom, but keep it soft and stretch it. So 3 fingers, a generous 3 fingers, keep it soft and go right back to that pinch twist around the back. Rotate it into that pinch twist, and now we're going to do the next one up. That was 3 fingers, so we're going to do about a 4 soft 4 finger. Make your twist 4-finger bubble nice and soft into the other pinch twist on the opposite side. Rotate it and pull it through. This is what your bat should be looking like. So just adjust your pinch twist, put it over where it goes, straighten up your legs. This is the back. We're going to make one more. This is going to be 5 fingers. We're going to curve it, so keep it soft. 4, 5. Nice and soft. Be generous. This is our top bubble. We're just going to put it right in front of the eyes there. Put down into that pinch twist. You'll see it start taking shape if you have to alter your bubbles. Go ahead. It's your Hermit craft. Now we'll get rid of this extra. You don't need it. You can just tuck it. Pinch twist should be in the middle. Arms in the top. Pinch twist. Legs forward. Legs forward. Now we take a permanent marker. 2 dots for the eyes. And I do a W, okay, so 2 W's, and then a U to connect them. Good job, guys.